Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm Sarah Hatch. I'm a mom of 5 kids and an artist.
And a photographer.
Yep, that's true too. And we've been drawing really cute aquatic animals this week, and today we're going to be drawing a harbor seal. Alright, we're going to draw it with a Sharpie, and I'm going to color it in with colored pencil. Alright, let's get started.
Alright, so we'll start off with the head, and it's more of a circle-ish shape.
Yeah, it is. So we're gonna start right here, go over, and then it's kind of got a flat top, and then down to there. All right, and then the nose, we've got this line down here, and then a line.
Can I have a finer point?
Sure.
Thank you. Ooh. Nice.
So you do a line out to there, and then curve it in. And then with this curved in line, we're going to come back and create a smile. Then I'm using some thickening right here to create an indentation where it's going to go up like this. And then we're going to draw kind of an oval shape, a triangular oval shape. Leave a little highlight in there. Oh, so cute.
And it's tiny.
That's okay. All right, so now I'm just going to curve this line just a little bit up here, a little more.
Yeah.
All right, and then right here, we're gonna keep the circle going that we started over there. Good job. All right, so now the eye, let's draw a circle right there. And let's leave a highlight down here. And then one more highlight up here. And then you can use some little lines to gum together right there at a point. Do you see that? I just did some little lines together. And then I'm going to put a dot right here and a line right there. Nice. Cute. All right, now, what are you doing?
Making my face bigger.
Okay. All right, so from right here, come down, and we're gonna draw an angle back like that. That's good. All right, and then
Can I draw it too?
I think it's okay. And then right here, we're gonna draw one of the back fins, or the back fin, I should say. And then you do these little curved lines going up, and then these lines for the flipper. Very good. All right, and then right here, we're gonna do a little notch, and then it comes out like that. You see that notch?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good job. And then it swoops back like that. And then we're gonna do the curved lines going back. Let's do 5 of them. And it goes up like that. Good. And then the thin lines right here. And then I might thicken up these outer ones, but I might wait till after we color. But if you want to right now, you can. Okay, so now from right here, we're gonna curve it up like that. You've got room because the tail.
No, it was this one.
Oh.
I'll just do
Yeah, curve it up. And then we're gonna angle it in like that. And then do it the same angle like that. And then we're gonna make his back by going up and then down and over. And I'm gonna come down a little bit more right here on his head now. Cool. Yeah, that was a good idea to make it bigger. All right, so then from right here,
Actually, it makes more sense to go from that one.
okay. So from right here, we're going up and then stepping over and then up and then stepping over. One more, like that. And then same thing over here and then curve it down in right here.
Like that.
Mm-hmm. And then from the top, go down on the lines and then add an extra one in the middle. Oh, that's fine, yeah. However you need to do it. And then at the end, I'll probably thicken up this line and you can like get it to curve some more as you thicken it. All right, so now we have a decision to make. Do we want the spots to be like a dark gray instead of black? I think so too. So instead of using our Sharpie to do our spots, we're gonna get our dark gray marker. We're gonna use colored pencil for the whole seal, but we'll use a gray marker to outline. We'll use a gray marker to outline where the spots are, and then we'll color it in with colored pencil. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
The places the spots are, we can do one up here, and we don't want to have like perfect circles. We want them to be different shapes.
Just like tigers,
Mm-hmm.
seals, I think,
Mm-hmm.
never have the same shapes of spots.
That would make sense. And as you can tell, the circles get a little bit smaller and closer together here at the back. And there's also some lighter ones that I'll do like kind of a dotted line. Maybe not completely dotted, just like a loose line. So that when I'm coloring it later with my colored pencils, I'll remember to have those ones lighter. All right, that looks good.
Can I do it with?
Oh, one more thing we should change real quick. Not change, but we should do like a little. Okay, so you'll color in these spots with a dark gray, and then the seal with a lighter gray, and then get it darker on the edges. And we'll leave an example at the end that you can follow, but we will color it in time lapse. I just realized something we forgot when I started coloring. Grab your Sharpie. We forgot to give him whiskers. So just do thin little lines. Whoa, that one was too long. Dang it. Oh well.
Fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, they definitely have whiskers. Okay, back to coloring. Good job on your harbor seal. You're so cute. One time I saw a harbor seal in the ocean when I was swimming in California. I thought it was a dog at first. All right. I would love to see how your harbor seal turned out. If you take a picture of it and then have your parents tag me on Instagram, then I can see it. Yep. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you next time.